summit because there's like a lot of hills there, so it's gonna be beautiful when you go over. It's all white.
Down here it's not.
Oh yeah. Is there any lot of ices that's
can you see?
flowing down?
It's not flowing.
Oh my, that's pretty. It doesn't really show up in the camera. I can see just a little. There, I can see.
What there?
Oh my, that's gorgeous. Yeah, there's a lot of ices flowing down the river. Awesome! Can do close. The river. Oh my goodness.
It's cold. They just worked hard not to be warm.
It is very cold. They're just shoveling snow.
It's making a snow fort.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's like he's making an igloo.
Yeah, we call them snow forts.
Oh.